top 3 well-known malls in Quezon City. Here they are. Number 1 is SM North, located at the heart of Quezon City, very near the North Avenue MRT, and they say it's the second largest mall in the Philippines. Second on the list is Trinoma, located also in that vicinity. Third on the list is Gateway Mall, located in Araneta Center, Cubao, very near Cubao MRT, LRT, and in Araneta Center. Bonus is Ali Mall, located also in Araneta Center vicinity. And trivia, Ali Mall is named after the famous and well-known and legendary boxer Muhammad Ali. If you know any other well-known malls in Quezon City, share in the comments, and see you in the next video.